What's up mga Kanaisers? Today I will be answering some questions from the comment section and I hope you are going to be enlightened sa pagsagot ko ng mga questions ninyo. Question: pwede po bang magturo sa Thailand ang mga Pinoy na major in Filipino? Yes po, pwede, pero hindi kayo magtuturo ng Filipino subject dito. Ang mga subject na pwede nyo lang maturo dito ay English, Math, Science, PE, Arts, and Music. There are also other options like being a nursery teacher, kindergarten teacher, or being an assistant teacher. Different position means different sahod din po. And to get an idea how much a teacher earns dito sa Thailand, check out my video, Pinoy Teacher Salary in Thailand. Question: if tourist visa lang po, posible ba na mag-rent muna ng apartment while job hunting? Of course, pwede po yun. Usual scenario is you need to pay 2 months deposit and 1 month advance. For apartment, I think kailangan mo tumira for 3 months bago mo makuha ang deposit mo if you plan to move out. For condominiums, it's much longer. I think it's about 1 year. Meron din po mga taong nagpapa-bed space, daily, weekly, or monthly ang bayad. Hindi mo kailangan ng deposit if bed spacer ka lang. Pero you need to pay an advance amount depende sa agreement nyo ng host. This is useful if naghahanap ka pa ng work and you have a limited budget at hindi mo pa alam kung saan ang workplace na tatanggap sa iyo. For ideas about Thailand rental rates, check my video with the same title. Question: is it possible to bring my family in Thailand after I can apply as a teacher? Yes po, you can bring your family here if you obtain a working visa. However, kailangan nila ng visa, tourist visa or dependent visa. Tourist visa is visa on arrival dito sa Thailand pero you can also apply for tourist visa sa Thailand Embassy sa Philippines. Dependent visa is a visa that you can apply for them if you yourself obtained a working visa. Tourist visa and dependent visa can be applied sa Thailand Embassy sa Philippines and each person has to pay the fee. Which one is better? Cost-wise, free ang visa on arrival, pero if you apply a visa sa Thailand Embassy, then it costs around 3,000 pesos approximate. However, if you are planning to bring them here para iwas offload, I suggest na you apply a dependent visa for them. For better understanding of this, check out my video, Thailand Working Visa. That's it mga Kanaisers. Next time, I will answer more questions and if you have your own question, then comment down below and I will answer it, and I hope you guys were enlightened by my answers sa mga questions na I presented today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!